Hello, and welcome to episode 4 of Cooking with Ed. I'm sticking with the Oriental thing. Today we're going to do sweet and sour chicken chow mein. Recipe I stumbled on by accident and have mucked around with a few times, and I think I've got it. Some of the ingredients you might think are a little unusual, but hey. First of all, I have heated my big pan with just about 2 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil. I have also shredded some chicken up, so they're in quite thin slivers. The thing with chow mein is the prep takes a while, but you want to cook it quite quickly, so the thinner the chicken is, the better. That is going to go into a big pot. Don't need that anymore. When you first put chicken into the pot like this, it has a tendency to stick, so you do need to keep your eye on it and move it around until the juices from the chicken come out of the chicken. In the meantime, what I've also done is I've got my wok. I've again put a little bit of vegetable oil in there. That's heating up. But at the moment I've got it on level 4. The chicken's on level 4, by the way. But I will be turning the wok up quite hot because I do want to cook it at a very hot temperature and quite quickly. As you can see, the chicken's cooking very, very rapidly. The pink is starting to go. It's starting to become white. That means it's cooking. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how to do the sweet and sour sauce. This is the unusual. Oh shit! I didn't say that. Tomato ketchup. About 4 tablespoons of. Sugar that I've just thrown all over the kitchen.
What did you do that for?
Because I knocked it over.
Okay.
So about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just about that. Dark soy sauce. About 1 tablespoon at the moment. And Shaoxin white wine vinegar. This and the soy sauce gives it sour, and obviously the tomato ketchup and the sugar give it sweet. Mix all that up. What you also need is a thickening agent. You can use corn flour. I find it clumps when I try to do it, so I use McDougall's instant thickening granules.
Is that cheating in any way?
Probably yes.
Okay. Just so I know.
I'm going to mix all that up. The thickening granules aren't going to dissolve yet because they need to be hot to dissolve properly. But this is going to be introduced to the chicken very shortly, and they will dissolve once it's in there. What you can do, you need to do.
You're spinning it.
No, spoon only. And that's tasting too sweet for my liking, so I'm going to put a bit more of the sour in. I'm going to get this week's award for stating the bleeding obvious. But if it's too sweet, put vinegar in. If it's too sour, put sugar in. That's better. Well, my chicken is nearly done now. It's mostly white, a little bit of pink, but it's still going to be cooking for a bit longer. So now I can introduce my sweet and sour to my chicken. So, hello chicken, this is sweet and sour, this is chicken.
You sure it's chicken and not duck?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's chicken this time.
Okay.
Once that's all mixed in, it's going to let that cook away for another few minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to turn my attention to my wok. So, I have pre-made some ingredients. As I think I said earlier, that is preheated. I have onions, I have garlic, I have ginger, have mushrooms, I have peppers, and I've got my 5-spice powder. If you want to know how to do that, then look at Cooking with Ed, episode 3, where I do the crispy duck, because I'll show you how to do that there. Another thing I need to let you know.
Where are you going?
I'm going here. Well, it's obvious where I'm going. I'm going in the direction I'm walking in.
Well, tell me first.
Okay. So I've made some noodles here. I'm using dried noodles. You can use fresh noodles, obviously, but I prefer to use the dried noodles simply because of the fact that they've got a very, very long shelf life. And if you get fresh noodles, you have to cook it for the next couple of days, and if for whatever reason plans change, they can go off. So I prefer using those. What you do is you get a bowl, you crush up your noodles, shove it in it, and put hot water, not boiling, hot water in it for exactly 5 minutes. Let it steep, pour it into a colander, let it drain, let it cool. If you keep it in hot water for too long, then it sticks to the wok when we come to do the final cook. The chicken's looking pretty good now, so I'm just going to turn the heat down on that a little bit because I don't want it burning. I want to keep some of that sweet and sour sauce there. Right, so let's refer to the wok. Onions, garlic, ginger, cooking Chinese food is very, very quick fire. You don't get many opportunities for a beer break. That's looking good. Peppers, mushrooms, I'm keeping this moving all the time because it's on hot and I don't want it to burn, and I'm about to make it hotter. I'm about to go from 4 to 5.
How can I know this done?
No, I guess.
Okay.
Haven't given you food poisoning yet?
First time for everything.
Yeah, true. Right. Noodly things. And we're going to add a healthy dose of soy sauce. And now we're going to put in the 5-spice. 1 pinch, 2 pinches, 3 pinches, and sod it. Shove a bottle. I think with Chinese food, as I said earlier on, you want to cook it quickly. But you may have noticed, and something I omitted to say, is that as opposed to Indian food, where I like to chop the onions, the garlic and the ginger up very, very fine, with Chinese I do the opposite. I like big chunks of onions, big chunks of peppers, big chunks of everything in there. That's cooked quite nicely. So now I'm going to introduce my sweet and sour chicken to my noodly thing. Chicken, noodly thing, chicken. What I'm also going to do is put some plates in my preheated oven just to warm up. Chow mein goes cold quite quickly, so you really do need heated plates for it. Doesn't need to cook for long, that's looking pretty much there already, to be honest. Yep, I think that'll do. Turn that off. Turn that off. These out of the way.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
It's easy. It's easy.
Fair enough.
Right, I'm going to take my plate out of preheated oven. I'm going to get some of these things out of the there. And then that done. Sweet and sour chicken chow mein. How easy was that? Hope you enjoyed cooking with Ed. Episode 4. Haven't got a clue what I'm going to do for episode 5 yet, I'll have to think about it. Anyway, all the best people, over and out.
We need to walk out now because we can't do the end credits otherwise.
Oh, sorry, I've got to walk out now, otherwise we can't do the end credits.
Bye bye.